Hey everyone, welcome back to TuneCore's independent playbook series where we talk about your music release, marketing, and everything and anything that has to do with how to make it as an independent musician in India. Today, the topic that we're going to cover is how to release your music on all the streaming platforms through TuneCore. Getting started is very easy. Just head on to tunecore.in, create your profile and verify your email ID. Once you've done that, you have 4 plans to choose from: new artist, rising artist, breakout artist and professional. The difference between rising artists, breakout artists and professional artists are different, and you can head to our website and check out what the differences are. But the most basic difference is if you have multiple main artists in your release, or if you have a custom UPC that you want to use, you'll have to upgrade to the professional artist. Once you subscribe to one of our plans, head to your dashboard and click on new release. Once you do, you'll see an option to select either single, album or ringtone. For an example, let's say you select single. Once you do, a new page will open where you'll have to enter all the details like your release title, main artist name, your primary genre, secondary genre, release date, previously released date, everything. One thing to remember while you're adding your main artists is that you have to link their artist profiles correctly. To do that, just enter their name, click on enter, and once you do, you'll see a list of artists. If none of them are yours, you can scroll down to find an option called link your artist page. Just click on that and add the link to your artist page. This is for Spotify and Apple Music both. If your artist page does not exist and you require us to create a new artist page for you, just find the option called create a page for me, because that option will inform the stores that they have to create new pages for you. Once you've done that, remember to click on save. Now you scroll down to enter all the rest of the details, but there are 2 more things that you need to be aware of. One, the release date needs to be 4 weeks away from the date that you're uploading. This is to make sure that there are no issues while your content is being reviewed or while your content is being delivered, and so the stores can process all of it in a properly and timely manner. Once you scroll down more, you'll find an option to add a custom UPC, label name and recording location. Remember, if you're adding all 3 of these or any one of these options to your release, you would be forced to upgrade to the professional plan while checking out if you're not already subscribed to it, as all of these are advanced distribution features. Once you've added all the details, click on save so that you can move to the next option, which is adding your stores. Now by default, all the social media platforms are added to your release, but if you want your music to go live on Spotify, Apple Music, Gaana, JioSaavn, Hungama, make sure that you're adding all of the other stores to your release. Once you've added all the stores to your release, scroll down to the song, artist and creative section. This is where you add all of your contributors, your songwriters, lyricists, guitarists, producers, everyone. Once you've added all the people, all of your contributors, scroll down a little bit further to find the copyright information. This is where you tell us if your song is a cover song or not, and if you hold the rights or not. Once you've done that and you've added all the information, scroll down to find the ISRC section. This section is very important because if this is a new release, then let TuneCore generate a new ISRC code for you. But if it is not, then, and if you're shifting your music from a different distributor and you want to make sure that all the streaming data also shifts with it, this is where you use the previously used ISRC codes from your previous distributor. Once you've added all this information, click on save. Once you do, you'll find the option to upload your audio. Once you've uploaded the stereo audio file, you'll also see that the Dolby Atmos file option has also been activated. What is Dolby Atmos? We'll talk about that a little bit later. Once you've uploaded your audio, scroll down to find the artwork section. Remember, your artwork should be square and it should be a minimum of 1600 by 1600 pixels and should not be more than 3000 by 3000 pixels. Once you've uploaded your artwork, your song is ready to be released. As you've completed all the steps, you'll now see an option to distribute your release. Once you click on that button, you'll be taken to the cart where, after scrolling down, you'll be able to find a button called Release Music. Remember, if you're not able to see the button Release Music and instead seeing a option to upgrade your plan, that means you're not on the professional plan and yet have used advanced distribution features such as optional UPC, label name, or recording location. Once you remove these features, you can check out for free. And if you want to keep these features, you'll have to upgrade to the professional plan and then check out. The most common problem that our artists face is renewal. Remember, it's a yearly renewal subscription to cover our operational costs. So the date that you subscribe to our plan 1 year later is the same date when you have to renew your plan. Remember, the renewal is very necessary because if the renewal is not done on time and the grace period has also passed, your music will be taken down automatically by our system. Don't worry, we can still send them back to the stores. All you have to do is renew your subscription and then reach out to our artist support team who will help you further. And that's all for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.